Now let's explore some tables in multi-line Braille. Multi-line Braille is excellent for exploring data. Let's have a look at the World Cup results. I'm on the BBC Sport website. Football tables and standings, football BBC, says the title line. I'll press 1 to navigate to the first heading. That's usually where the content starts. Football tables, heading 1. And I'll press T to find the first table. Table with 5 rows, 10 columns, says the speech. And I can see that from line 4, our columns are team, played, won, drawn, lost, goals for, goals against, goal difference, penalties, form, last 6 games, oldest first. That spanned lines 5 down to 8. And then we've got on 5 down to 7, sorry. Then on lines 8 and 9, we've got 1, Mexico 33006, and on the line below that, South Africa 3111, and so on. Now, because we're in concertina mode, the line with focus has expanded. Right now, that's the header row. This might not necessarily be what you want. On the other hand, it might be what you want. But let's have a look at crop line with focus and crop all lines, which is useful when looking at tabular data. Crop line with focus. This displays the line with focus, in other words the line containing the cursor, on one line of Braille, using the same kind of display technique as you would find on a single line display. The adjacent lines are then truncated to show the first 40 Braille characters of each line below and above. This maximises the amount of information you can see at any given time. It's also optimised for the Canute in that as you move around the table, the whole page doesn't refresh. So if I go right to some different columns, I don't have to refresh the entire display. Now I'm on a different table, and here each row takes up one line. So right now I can just see on the header, team, played, won, drawn, lost, but I can't see any more information to the right. Let's go down to Bosnia, which is the 3rd row. So now I can see team at the top, I can see Switzerland, Canada, and right now I'm on Bosnia-Herzegovina. 3111 I can see. But if I go over to the right, I can see no result, no result, no result, which is some of the team information. If I wanted to see all of the columns lining up, I would change the setting to crop all lines. Crop all lines does something very similar to crop line with focus. The only difference is it sets the start and end position of each line so that the whole screen scrolls